It's been bears day around when we have seen good drop in metals, specifically in silver, and yes, the indices including Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones both trading with a drop. Now, what to expect today with the US session? Can we expect a rise or are they going to drop again? Which position we should take in order to profit? Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest updates. The next update will be up before the Asia session tomorrow for these metals and commodity. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100 and towards the end Dow Jones. Do watch the end, do listen to it carefully and just trade as per the levels. Now gold on the early chart, see it consolidated here, then a breakdown retracement, breakdown, then a consolidation, and this time again it is trying to drop here. Yes, a support here at 1774.75 and then 1770, breaking below 1770. Again we may see it hitting 1765 and 1760 levels. Now see why these levels at 1770 are important. You can find out the previous consolidation from where the rally has started. It consolidated here for a while. Possibly it may try to consolidate here for a while before it tries to take a breakout on the upside. Now look, directional movement is divergent and bearish, and if you look at the stochastic, this is trading oversold near to the bottom. The MACD is extremely divergent and extremely bearish. See, it has seen the lows possibly from here. See, the red candles are already diminishing. Possibility exists that it may try to converge from here. See, the highs here and the lows, almost the move is done. Possibility for it to either consolidate here or retrace from here exists. Hence, you have to remain cautious. The RSI is oversold too, and hence a probability of a rise exists and possibility is there that's achieving 1770. It may try to rise again. You have to remain cautious here. Now look at the 2-hour chart. Now on the 2-hour charts also likewise it is trying to trade where consolidated, almost double bottom is done and now it is trying to reverse. Yes, if you see it trading above 1780 again, you can buy. Expect 1785 and then 1790 levels as the stronger resistance. So only above 1780 you can buy it. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold and hence a probable rise is there. The MACD has seen the highest probability from here to converge exist. The RSI is trading oversold. So it appears in between 1770 and 1780. You should not trade. You should not take any position. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, almost triple bottom is done. Now it is trying to reverse. Once you see it trading above 1780, you can expect it to rise a little. How far it can stretch? It can go till towards 1785. 1788-90 zone. This is a very strong resistance there, 1788-90, and beyond that only you can, rather I will say 1787 and 90. Morning I told you below 1790 you can expect 87, 84, 80 and then 70 levels. It has precisely come back to those levels and now trying to rise a little. It is oversold here. This is bearish here on the MACD. This is extremely divergent. Possibility for it to converge from here exists and exists strong. RSI here is trading near to the bottom. It has not gone to the oversold zone. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, higher lows or double bottom is done. Trying to reverse from here. If you see it trading above 1780, possibility for it to retrace a little till towards 85, 88, and only if you see it trading above 90, possibility for it to reverse exist, and only the bullish confirmation is above 1810, 1815 zone. Direction movement here is also bearish. The stochastic has gone oversold and possibility for rise exists here. The MACD is extremely divergent, extremely bearish. It appears it has seen the highs. It may start to converge from here. RSI trading near to the bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, lower highs, lower lows. Almost the move is done, it appears to me. However, there is a potential for it to reach till towards the zone 1770 levels. Very strong support zone here. And then 1765, 60. See, I have told you earlier, I have repeated it again, I am telling you again, till 1740 levels, it survives over 1740, I will not consider gold as bearish. And this zone between 1740 to 1760 is going to remain critical for gold. Now look at the movement for gold. You can find out this is still trying to trade. Yes, there is a possible squeeze on the daily charts, and it is still trying to survive these zone yet. Hence, you have to remain cautious till 1770. Only below 1770 we can expect a little bearishness. Sell for 1770, expect 1767, 64, 60, and below that further drop till towards 1750 and 1740 can be seen. Take your trades accordingly. On the upside, buy at 1780, 84, 87, 90 are going to be the targets. Only and only if gold trades above 1800 you can expect little more bullishness. However, till 1810 do not consider this as bullish at all. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. See, Tech 100 on the hourly chart, you can find out sharp drop, retracement, drop, retracement. It confined its movement within this zone. Then the sharp drop, it tried to stabilize your retracement, and again now looking downwards. So yes, if you see it trading above this zone at 11,630, you can buy there. You can expect it to rise for 11,660, and then again the same old levels, 11,710, 760, 800 levels to be seen. See, these levels are my favorite, and I have been reiterating this since long now, and you should have in fact memorized it by now. 11,660, first 11,500, then 11,600, then 660, 710, 760. These are the levels by which it is going to. Now see, this zone at 700, 710, very strong resistance lies there. Beyond that, certainly it is going to go bullish. So buy at 11,630, expect it to rise for 660, 710 and plus levels. On the same side, see, now if you look at, first of all, it is dropped below this channel. This is trading below this channel. That is very important. And yes, here is a stronger support at 11,550 first support, and then 11,520, 500 the next support. So every 50 points from here, first at 11,550, next at 11,500, and then at 11,450 and 400 are the stronger supports. Only and only if Nasdaq 100 trades below 11,400, I will consider this as bearish. Directional movement is bearish on the hourly charts. Stochastic oversold trying to rise. The MACD at the extremes, it is trading bearish. And if you look at the RSI, this is trading at bottom and it is trading oversold. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, see a couple of red candles, bearishness getting diminished, almost flat bottom, and this candle is possibly indicating a reversal. However, we have seen a good drop again. So yes, in some, if you see, only if you see trading above 11,620 you can buy and then expect it to rise. Then you can consider this as a reversal candle. Till the time, possibly 11,550 definitely should be a very strong support. Below that we can see a little drop. Direction movement extremely bearish here. Stochastic trading oversold. The MACD extremely bearish. The RSI is also looking downwards. It is almost trading at the bottom. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, now on the 3-hour charts, if you align these three candles, you will find 11,540 levels as the support. And yes, till the time I will not sell here. You can sell at 11,540 and then expect 11,500 levels, and then below that 11,450, 400 to be seen. At the same time, trading above 11,630, buy it and you can expect a rise. Same levels, it is bearish on the stock direction movement. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. RSI is also sloping down slightly. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, look at the previous candle. Now I'm talking about this candle, almost 100 points, 120 points here. And yes, if you count this from here, 11,600, the possibility for it to achieve 11,500 is there. You can sell at 11,540, expect 11,500 levels, and if it breaks below 11,500, more bearishness to be seen, which might take it for 11,450, 400. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI trading oversold or near to the bottom. Likewise on the daily chart, similar is the observation. See, gold has already done that. It has achieved lower lows. Now see, this zone is very important for Nasdaq 100, 11,500, giving it a very strong support. It can possibly slide below this and achieve 11,400, which is definitely the next strongest support levels. Yes, you can sell at 540, expect 450. First at 500, very strong support, then 450 and then 400 levels. On the upside, you can buy at 630, expect 660, 710, 760, 800 levels. Till the time it trades below 760, you can expect a little more bearishness to prevail. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now see, US 30's movement, drop, consolidation, drop, retracement, and then a sharp drop. Now how far this can stretch? See, similar move can be expected, which was from 34,000 to 33,000. 700 levels, almost 300 points, and if you count it from here, 33,750 to almost 33,550, 500 levels are certainly going to be a good support. So do not buy anything till the time you see it trading below 33,750 levels, only above 33,750. Consider this for a reversal. Directional movement is extremely divergent and bearish. It must converge from here. Stochastic is near to the bottom. The MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. The RSI is entering into oversold zone 2. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, likewise, couple of steps, then a green candle, and then this breakout. So it appears it can give you further more red candles, taking it for 33,400, 300 levels, and in fact it can drop below those levels. Only buy entry is above 33,750. Beyond that, a little more bullishness to be seen, which might take it for 33,800 and then 33,900, 34,000 levels. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic trading oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, likewise, see one red candle. Now look at the moves of this red candle. You'll find 34,000 to 33,700, 300 points, and almost from here. And from here, almost 250 points, which makes it to 33,500, certainly going to be a very good support. At the same time, also it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and hence it can get a pullback. You can buy only if you see it trading above 33,750 levels. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic near to oversold. MACD divergent and bearish. RSI looking downwards, trading at the bottom. And if you look at the 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts to almost bottom of the Bollinger Bands done, it is trading in this channel, which is a bearish channel. On the upside, 33,750, 33,800, you have to wait for 33,800 to be breached, only above which you can expect little more bullishness till the time. Also 33,500 on the downside certainly is going to be a very good support. It is bearish on the daily 4-hour charts. It is oversold on the stochastic. MACD is still divergent, is still bearish. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, now see this. It has the potential for it to come back till towards this zone, which is 33,400. Very strong support, 33,500 and 400. So first I'll wait for it to breach past 33,500, which is certainly going to be a very good support, and then below that 33,400. Till 33,400, I will not consider this as bearish, and there will be always a possibility for it to rise. Now why is it so? You can see this. With the support at 33,400, it is traded with a bullish bias. This is an expanding triangle, and only if it breaches below this, achieves 33,000 levels and below, then you can consider this as bearish. Else it has the potential and probability for it to bounce back. Remember, it is going to be a triple witching tomorrow when futures and options are going to expire for the US markets, and hence the trend it assumes or resumes today is probably might get reversed tomorrow, and hence you need to trade with extreme caution. Till tomorrow, directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD bearish, the RSI looking downwards. Considering this, only sell entry I will recommend is below 33,550, where you can expect 33,500 as the first target, 33,450, 33,400 as the next target. Below 33,400, you can expect a very good drop, though the nearest support is at 33,350. Yes, below 33,350, directly it will land to 33,200, and below that 33,000 levels. These are markets, anything is possible. Above 33,750 you can buy. Expect 33,800, the nearest resistance, and then above 33,800, 33,850, the level which I told in morning that you can sell below 33,850 and remain short. It has achieved all the levels on the sell side. Now possibly the recovery can be there, but then 33,850 should appear as a good resistance on the upside. Beyond that, 33,900, 34,000 levels to be seen. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.